We are in Yongli Station. Our taxi driver completely misunderstood where we were going. Took us to the silk market, which was wrong. We jumped out. We said we're not paying for it, and instead we're going to take the subway to Tiananmen Square East. So what you do is you press. I know this is line 1 because we've taken it many times before. Line 1, and then you press in where you're going. We could go to Dongdaemun Station and then change, but I'm not going to. So instead you press that. It tells you right there your ticketing type one way, but instead we 2 makes it 6 yuan, which is less than $1, which is a lot cheaper than what the taxi was going to. I knew he was going the wrong way. Okay, let's take the metro. It's really super simple. You just have to look at the maps and it will tell you what direction you change at. It tells you where the next stop is. There are signs all over to exit the station or to transfer from one station to another. We're exiting on Wangfujing Street. We're going to walk to the hotel. Take your little card. It said insert ticket. Okay, we're out. And this is Wangfujing Street, a busy pedestrian street with all kinds of shops, food streets, and McDonald's, of course. It's a Saturday, and everybody comes to stroll on Wangfujing. This in the center reminds me of that year that they had cows on parade. I don't know if you remember that. All these different color painted cows. Street is where you find Victoria's Secret, Omega, Furla, Pandora, Under Armour, and every other brand. Rolex, H&M, Zara, Gap. And across the street is Prada. And what would Beijing be without Cartier, Miu Miu, Tiffany, and Karl Lagerfeld? When I was buying purses in the Pearl Market, they wanted to start at a couple $100. We settle $15 for one, $20 for another. If they fall apart, who cares? They do have a police presence in the center. We have a group of minority people. It is 12 noon straight up. What a gorgeous day. So lucky. Not a trace of smog today. Clear blue sky. And here's our Renaissance. A real easy walk down Wangfujing, basically. Very nice hotel. We're done shopping.